Hello students. Students, now after completing the work in book number 2, you need to take out your English notebook. That should be covered with yellow cover, okay? Now, and it should be 4-line notebook. Now, here we are going to do practice, okay? So, ask your mama and papa to mention your notebook in the same way. You have to mention your date here, today's date, okay? Then mention classwork, practice in center, because we are going to do the practice now. So here you have to mention capital and small both D, capital and small both E, capital and small both F. Please mark 2 lines with the help of pencil so that you can write straightly. After that you have to write here remark and sign. It's for teachers' work. Fine. Now, as you all know the formation, so let's start doing the practice. Capital D and small d, but you need to speak the pictures or words those start with letter D. Firstly, we will make one standing line from red line to blue line, then make one left open curve from red line to blue line. It's capital letter D. For writing the small letter D, make one standing line from red line to blue line. Keep a pencil here on the second line, that is blue one. You need to make a left right open curve from blue line to blue line. It's small d. Now speak and write. D the dog, D the drum, D the dad, D the daisy. Write your work in a very good handwriting. D the dice, D the doctor, D the dolphin. Fine. In the same way you have to speak and write. Now come to the next letter, that is E. So firstly we will write capital E. Make one standing line from red line to blue line. Then make one sleeping line on red line. Again a sleeping line on blue line. Again a sleeping line on blue line. For small e, we will make a sleeping line in the mid of these two blue lines. Like this. Then go up, touch to the blue line. Come down and touch to this blue line. Small e. Now speak and write. E a egg, E a elephant, E a entrance, E a envelope, E a engine, E a eyes, E a ears. So in the same way you have to write letter E in a very good handwriting, then ma'am will give you 5 stars. Okay. Now the last letter, that is F. What is the sound of F? F says fur. Make one standing line from red line to blue line. Then one sleeping line on red line. Again a sleeping line on blue line. It's capital F. And for writing small f, keep a pencil here. Come to the red line. Then make one straight standing line and a sleeping line on this blue line. Small f. F for flower, F for finger, F for 4, F for fish. Make sure your this sleeping line should be small. It should not too much big. Okay. F for fire, F for food. F for family. Okay, students? So, in this way, you need to complete your work. Letter D, E, F. Okay? In your notebook, in a very good handwriting, make sure your notebook should be in 4 lines. Red line, blue line, red line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine? Thank you.